on my window ledge here in the bathroom is a baby bird. It just flew out of the nest, and instead of landing on the ground, it ended up landing, my battery's low, it ended up landing on my windowsill. Can't open the window or it'll accidentally fall inside. It's waiting for Mama to come back and give him a bite. Hopefully my battery won't run out until that happens. There's Mama. Shoot. I think my hand scared her away. No. There's Mama. Hope she just flew away again. She must not feel safe here. I can hear Mama calling to the bird, telling it to come on, come on. Come on, Mama, come back one more time. There we go. He just fed the baby. Good luck, baby bird.